Here we have gathered to understand a few things about English grammar. In your lesson 1, this components of language was just taught, was started by me. Now you have seen some this language, grammar, alphabets. Alphabets are just sets of letters. Letters are 26 in numbers, all capital letters, small letters, vowels, consonants. You have all got the point, in my opinion, I believe. Then comes word. Word is a combination of letters in a fixed order to express a clear meaning in a spoken language. So word, we can understand that word is always made with the assistance of a consonant and with a vowel. When we add those vowel and consonant, it becomes word. And then when we add such words to express our feeling, it becomes sentence. So here it has been written here, phrase and clause. You have been given to understand both a group of words without a verb is called a phrase. A phrase does not carry any verb, it is saying, especially one that forms a part of sentence. In fact, it is a group of words forming a short expression, it is saying. So, phrase and clause is just a thing to notice here. Clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb forming a sentence or a part of sentence. Before that, I would like you to concentrate on this affix part. It was the first component chosen by me day before yesterday. Such partial words which change the meaning of original word by either being added in the beginning or being added in the end are known as affix. It is of two types, prefix or suffix. Prefix, it is saying it is placed, those partial words which are placed at the beginning of the words is known as prefix. Like here you see the original word honest. This word is coming to be added in the word honest, it becomes dishonest with the opposite meaning. Honest means imandar and dishonest means beiman. So like that, this form, this partial word, what changes occurred, it made the word opposite in its meaning by being added. So that way prefix works. Now this suffix is there. Suffix, it is placed in the end at the word part of the word is known as suffix. Honest, that ly is added to the original word honestly. Ly, and it has got its meaning changed. So here this quick summary is coming up. This paragraph is a distinct section of written or printed text. Phrase and clause will be the next day. First you have to write down these affix, prefix and suffix. How they help ourselves to form words. We have to understand this. And after this we have to go for this paragraph section. Paragraph you have already understood that it contains some topic or some idea you have to develop, like my city or my favorite animal, my favorite person, like such kind of where we add some ideas to make some topic clear is called a paragraph. So you need to copy all this, and tomorrow this phrase and clause will be explained to you, and then thereafter this second lesson will be over. You just try to copy it, and now you have been given here some prefix or suffix application, how it is help to form words. So here you understand that how prefix is working. It always comes before the word. The suffix part will always come after the word. Honestly, like playfully, playful, or merciless. Like these all are suffix part. It is coming after the root word. Like that it works. So you have to find out some prefixes also and some suffixes also to form words. You have to form 10 words from suffix and 10 words from prefix. And tomorrow I will be giving you the next lecture. Okay, fine, bye.